So in this problem, we are provided with the value of tangent of A and sine of B, and the angles A and B are in the first quadrant. So we need to find out the value of A plus 2B. Let us begin. So what we'll do, we'll first try to find out the value of tangent of A plus 2B. Now there's a standard formula for expanding tangent of the compound angle A plus 2B, that's given by tangent of angle A plus tangent of angle 2B, divided by 1 minus tangent of A times tangent of 2B. Now, we already have the value of tangent of A. Our goal will be to find the value of tangent of 2B. And we know that the tangent of 2B, that can be expanded by using the formula 2 times tangent of B divided by 1 minus tangent squared B. Since tangent of A is already available, we will need to find out the value of tangent of B by using sine B. So let's begin. So here we are given with the value of sine of angle B. So that's equals to 1 over square root of 10. So let's consider a right angle triangle, and here we'll consider that this is angle B. Now we know that the sine of angle B, that's given by, if this is the perpendicular, we have the larger side, that's the hypotenuse, and we have the base, then the sine is the ratio perpendicular over hypotenuse. So that means we can consider P to be equals to 1 and H to be square root of 10. Using the Pythagoras theorem, we can easily find out the value of the base B, that's going to be equals to 3. Now that we have the value of base, perpendicular, and hypotenuse, we can easily define tangent of B. So tangent of B is going to be the perpendicular upon the base, which is going to be 1/3. Now let's substitute all of these values back in equation number 1. So let's try to find the tangent of 2B first. So we have 2 times tangent of B, so that's 2 times 1/3 divided by 1 minus 1/3 whole squared. So that's going to give us the value 3 over 4. So now we will use equation number 1. So tangent of A plus 2B, so that will be equals to, so we need tangent of A, that's already provided to us, that's 1 over 7, added to tangent of 2B, so that's 3 over 4, divided by 1 minus tangent of A multiplied to tangent of B. So let's compute this value. So we're going to get 25 over 28, and in the denominator we also have 25 over 28, which gives us a value equals to 1. So here we have obtained that tangent of A plus 2B, that's equals to 1. However, we know for a fact that tangent of pi over 4 radian corresponds to 1. So we can say that tangent of A plus 2B equals to tangent of pi over 4, which means angle A plus 2B will be equals to pi over